Hi kids! Today let's learn to draw a beautiful butterfly. Let's start by drawing a circle for its head. Now let's draw 2 dots for its eyes. Next we'll draw its mouth. Okay, now we finished the head. Now let's draw the body of the butterfly. Draw a long oval shape. That's the body. Next we'll draw its wings. Watch carefully. We'll draw the top wings first. You can also draw like this. Draw a straight line and complete the wing from top to bottom like this. Now the top wings are ready. Next the bottom wings. There you go. Now we can draw some designs inside the wings. You can draw any designs, any shapes like circles, triangles, etc. Be sure to draw the same shapes on both the wings. It should be symmetrical like this. 3 circles on both the wings. Okay, now I finished drawing the butterfly. You can give any colors in both the wings. Hope you liked this video. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Bye.